This video will show you how to set up your Yardian Smart Sprinkler Controller with HD camera. These are the items included in your box. The first step is to replace your old controller. Take a picture of your current wiring with your phone. This will help you identify the correct sequence of wires. As you disconnect each wire, adhere a labeling sticker tag to each associated wire. When all wires are disconnected, remove your old controller from the wall. The next step is to install your Yardian controller. Identify an appropriate spot to mount your Yardian so that the camera is able to view your designated location, like inside your garage. Open the top cover. Mark the wall for the screws. Mount the Yardian with the screws. When it is mounted, open the inside cover. Connect the sprinkler wires according to the corresponding labels. Specify the rain sensor type or flow sensor. If you have a master valve, we suggest connecting it to the last zone and specify in your Yardian app. Close the inside cover and the top cover. Plug the Yardian electrical cord into the home outlet. Now that you've got your Yardian installed, download the Yardian app through the App Store or Google Play. Create an account, verify your account with your email address, and log in. Enter your Yard profile with your name, zip code, or click on Map to find your current location. Then click the Add New Profile button to proceed. Tap Yardian Device Setting card to start the pairing on the top of your app. Enter the 8-digit Yardian ID number, YID, on the top right corner. Now that your Yardian is paired to your profile, click the Yardian card and select Wi-Fi onboarding. Your Yardian has an LED indicator that will begin blinking blue and green. This indicates it is in Wi-Fi AP mode. For iOS users, please turn on your Wi-Fi. If your Yardian is not blinking green and blue, please press the Wi-Fi reset buttons for around 5 seconds and release when you see the LED blinking in green and blue. If LED turns purple, you'll need to hold the reset button until LED turns red. Select the Yardian SSID. If you're an Android user, allow Yardian to access the device's location. If you're on an iOS, you only need to specify your home Wi-Fi router SSID number. Once connected, the LED light will become steady green, and you can follow the setup procedures in the app to initiate setup of your zones. Congratulations! You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of using a Yardian Smart Sprinkler Controller with HD camera. Don't shut off your device while it is blinking red for software updates. For more information, check out the user guide that comes with your product, or visit our website at www.yardian.com.